Hey, g'day everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to text text word art using the mesh warp tool. Also, so in other words, in Corel PaintShop Pro 2018, I'll show you how to text with word art using the mesh crop tool straight after this. Hey, g'day again. Alright, so I'll show you how to do a word art texting using the mesh warp tool also. So what we'll do here, just give me a sec. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll open a new layer. So we'll go to 800 by 800 pixels, and I bet that's good enough. 72 resolutions. Click the raster background, make sure the raster background's clicked, and transparent background. So again, for now I'm using an image of actually I'll use 1000. 1000 by 600, because I'll create our logo Filipinos in Australia, a word art using the mesh warp tool. Alright, so yeah, so width is 1000, height 600, and resolutions about 72 is good, and make sure it's the raster backgrounds, most of all the raster background is clicked. Color depth 18-bit, yeah, that's alright, and make sure the transparent backgrounds ticked also. Alright, we'll go ahead. So what we want to do here is this is our, we'll do here. Now I'll pick a font. I'll actually go black. Press OK. And a background, well, zebra pattern. That's something different. I'll go texture. I might go brickworks, just something different. Yeah, we don't really need that for now anyway. So, alright. So what we'll do first, we'll create another layer, another raster layer. Create another raster layer. Raster 2, normal, blending ranges. That's normal. That's normal. Just pretty much default. Block transparency. Leave it open. Alright, so for now we'll be working on, I'll push it up on number 1, which is down here. This is their layers, number 1, and number 2 I created. So number 1 was the original one I created. So what we want to do is create, what we do is pick our warp brush. We want to create a curvature for our text to follow, and what we'll do, we'll pick the on the left hand side, it's got warp brush, pick the warp brush, warp nose, that's right, so we'll click that there, we'll left click, hold it down, yeah, it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Oh, actually, why, okay, alright. Yeah, warp brush tool, the warping brush tool must do a final apply. I haven't started, why can't do a final apply? Hey! We'll start off with our pen tool, leave the warp brush for now, our pen tool. So pick a pen tool. Now up here, make sure we have draw point to point. In other words, curves. Not this is point to point straight. We want to point highlight. So draw point to point Bezier curves, and make sure these are activated. Sometimes when you first start it, these are off. So we want to show nodes. We want to connect segments. That's right. Now a layer. We'll go for solid. I like the width of 2. That's right. So, alright. What we'll do here, we'll left click here on the corner, and we'll take it straight up, say to the middle. We'll let go the left click mouse, go back down here, and left click the mouse again, and that's our curvature. I'll actually just take that background away. I'll make it transparent. There you go. Alright, so that's our background now. So we want to make sure that's level. So what we'll do is pick our line up, place it, I'll place it there, make sure it's level. I'll bring that in a bit. What we'll do is pick that up and bring that down to that corner, and we'll go to the other side, do the same as follow. So we'll make sure it curves perfect. So there we are. And actually we can change the curvature of that by left clicking where we started, and up here in the middle where we finished, you'll see a star with 2 arrows. So if you left click that, you can actually drag the curve down or make a curve bigger or down. So anyway, that's okay for now. Alright, actually didn't want that one, so that's all good. I'll go back to here. Right, now we don't need this line. I'll take this out of the way and take that one out of the way. So there we are. We have we've got a couple more vector. We've got raster. Anyway, alright. So that's where we are. That's our curvature. So now what we want to do is create a text. We'll want to pick text color. Maybe we'll go bluish. Yeah, blue okay. And yeah, transparent background. We'll go for a texture of, what have we got? Oh, we got bricks and mortar. Alright, so all we want to do is want to place our text just above this line. If we do it there, the text will end up in a line, so we just want to be just above it. I'll zoom that in a bit actually. So that's our middle. There. Take that in again. So what I'll do, just put your logo in, fill the P nose. Actually, up here, alignment, center alignment. Yeah, why was that not centralized better? Let's go out of that. Activated text. You choose your font. I actually like the Mr. Earl BT font. I reckon it's quite snazzy. So that's, I'll start my text about there. That's better. Filipinos in Australia. Whoops, Australia. Oh, that's not right. Okie dokie. Yeah, actually, the stroke is a bit too thick. I'll just reduce that down to 5. I'll just highlight all that. That's better. Much better. And what happened there? Oh, okay. Now, where's my texture gone? My texture is missing bricks. Texture. Huh. Just do that again. Texture. Actually, I'll go to a different pattern. I'll go green, see what it does. Oh yeah, there you go. So it's actually changed it. I'll go back to bricks now. Texture, bricks, scale. Probably that's why you can't see. Or 10's a bit too much. 20. What 20 looks like. Texture, brick wall. Okay. Didn't change. Actually, I'll go back to texture again. Texture, pattern, gradient, pattern. Oh, actually, I'll just choose a different pattern. Canvas, floral. I'll stick with texture, I think. Okay. It still hasn't changed. Texture. Actually, I'll just change the background. There you go. Not playing ball today. I'll stick that actually. I actually wanted a solid fill, gradient, color, texture, color, and what I'll do, color, bricks. Alright, anyway, I'll continue here. This is going to drag on. This tutorial is going to drag on too long. So what we want to do next is we want to keep all this top in a straight line, and we want to curvature this bottom part. So what we'll do, we'll highlight the text. We've got another rasp there. Highlight the text. Actually, bring that down a bit. Actually, to help myself, I'll put that vertical center, which is right there. So I just want about that much, as you can see, just a little bit. Okay, now what we'll do, highlight the text, we'll go down here and we'll pick mesh warp. As you can see, this is the mesh warp. Now actually I will reduce the horizontal and vertical mesh warp to 8 by 8. Yeah. 20, 15, just to get a better, I'll go 20 by 20. I'll just get a far better result. Yeah, we'll get a far better result that way. Okay, so that's what we do. So mesh warp tool now, mesh warp under the warp brush, and the 20 mesh horizontal, I'll leave it at 20, and the vertical 20 just gives you a finer detail. So what we'll do, next step is, I keep forgetting that, following changes are needed to proceed with your mesh warp action. The current layer must be converted to a raster layer. Press OK. So right to go. So now we can't move these down unless we get rid of these bottom ones. So if you pick it up now, that's as far as it goes till it hits the other one. So what we want to do is leave this line here. You leave this line here and get rid of all these bottom ones to actually be able to drag the FI, and the end of Australia down to the line. So what we'll do, we'll pick these up, dragging below the white line, that. What happened there? Okay, goodness. Wrong raster again. Why is it? I'll actually leave it 10 to 10. 10 to 10. Okay, so no, it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Try again. We'll go to raster 3. No, it's affecting my line. Why is that? Why is that? I'll move my layer up to where it was. I should create my text on another layer. That's the trouble. Oh my goodness. So well, that didn't go as planned. Did not go as planned. So what I want to do, where am I? That's what I've done wrong. You learn more. Shh! My goodness!